Our goal is to park by the side of the road. The question is, how would it be easier to do it? Moving backwards or straight ahead? It seems that parking moving straight ahead is not a problem, but it's not as easy as it sounds. If the front of the car is parked at its place, the rear of the car is still on the road. What should we do? Inexperienced drivers try to reposition their car so that it's parked as required, but with no result. They try to do the impossible. They may desperately want to ask for help to reposition the car, but there's no one around and something needs to be done. What shall we do? Ask the driver of the green car to drive away. What's next? The goal is to position the back of the car closer to the pavement border, and we want to do it quickly. In this case, we need to move straight ahead, and we decide to drive the car over the pavement border. That's a bad decision. But we solve our issue quite quickly, and the rear of the car becomes closer to the pavement border. Then we turn the steering wheel sharply so that the front of the car comes back to the road. And we have parked. To solve the problem, we needed distance equal to 2 car lengths. This is the minimal distance which may be used for forward parking. But don't forget that we drove our front wheels over the pavement border. That is not very nice and is dangerous for the car. Now let's study another option, without getting front wheels over the pavement border. Turn the steering wheel so that the front of the car gets very close to the pavement border, but without overriding it. The back of the car slowly gets to the pavement border. To make the car parallel to the pavement border, we need a long distance. To solve the problem, we need distance equal to 3 car lengths. But what if the distance between the cars is smaller? Smaller than 2 car lengths. For example, 1.5 car lengths. Then we can park, but in reverse. First, position your car so that the rear end of your car is at the same level as the other car's back end, or so that your mirrors are at the same level. But this only works if the cars have much the same length. The interval between the cars should be about half a meter. Put the reverse gear and turn the wheel fully to the side. Look into the side mirror. You should be able to see the whole car at the back in the mirror, and a small gap. Some space. It's the point where you should stop and straighten the wheels. Then move backwards until the corner of the car gets at the same level as the corner of the front car. At this point, you should turn the steering wheel fully to the side. Then look at the back car. There are 2 possible options. We get parallel to the pavement border and we have some space left between the cars. Or we don't have enough space. The car at the back is too close. We cannot get parallel to the pavement border. In this case, we have to turn the steering wheel fully to the other side and move forward. The front of the car is in its place. That's all. See you later. The author of this lesson is Sergei Novakshonov, translated by Ksenia Kogan, Prima Vista Translation Agency. Beginner drivers think that bay parking is very difficult. However, one can always find an easy way to solve this problem.